Python is used by big companies like Google, NASA, and Spotify. Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about why Python is used by big companies like Google, NASA, and Spotify. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is used for a wide variety of tasks. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and its large library of modules. These features make Python a popular choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Some of the big companies that use Python include Google. Python is used for a variety of tasks at Google, including web development, data analysis, and machine learning. NASA. Python is used for a variety of projects at NASA, including the Mars Curiosity Rover and the International Space Station. Spotify. Python is used for data analysis, backend services, and machine learning at Spotify. Why do these companies use Python? There are a few reasons why these companies use Python. First, Python is a very easy language to learn. This makes it a good choice for companies that need to train a large number of developers. Second, Python is very readable. This makes it easy for developers to understand and maintain code. Third, Python has a large library of modules. This means that developers can find pre-written code for many common tasks. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is used by a wide variety of companies. If you are interested in learning Python, there are many resources available online. I encourage you to check them out and see for yourself why Python is so popular. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Python. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 90288500524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.